Today we're taking a look at a real and fake pair of the new Nike Haaland Phantom GX2. Real pairs here, obviously on the box. Fake pair has come like this. This is to help you at home if you are trying to purchase the retail pair, because it's a very expensive pair of boots and you don't want to get it wrong. So first thing, this is the box. If your pair comes in a box, this is what your label should look like. This is a size UK 10 for sample, so just pause the screen here if you want to check it with your pair at home, just in case they do come with a box. But the retail one here is in the box, the fake one is not. As you can see, just a paper bag. So we'll open up the retail one first. You do get a bag with your pair if it is the elite pair, which obviously this one should be. But there you go. It says Force 9 on the front, and then you've got it's like a fire print on a dark, I'm going to call it sea coloured bag on the back as well. And then here are the boots. Check them out. So move them to the side. You do also get the Nike paper, nothing too fancy about that. So I'll move the box to the side, and then here is the fake one. I'll take these out because they are in this bag. Take these out. So here is your first look at a real and fake pair. Can you spot any differences? Hopefully we can do some in the comparison and help you at home if you are trying to purchase a retail pair. So stay tuned and we'll dive right into the details. So the first major easy difference to tell the two pairs is the uppers. Look at the colour difference between the two pairs, and the colour difference is kind of mainly because the retail one here has Nike grip knit, as you can see. Look how sticky that upper is. It's super grippy. Perfect for like wet weather, won't get through into the sock, won't make your feet soggy, and it grips to the ball in all weather conditions. The replica, well, it hasn't done that. It has no grip knit. This is just a sock-like material. So if you wear this in the rain, you're going to get absolutely soaking feet and no grip on the ball whatsoever. Yeah, that's a crazy difference. Spinning the boot round to the back and look at the details. This says Force 9. It's a classic for Haaland on the back. If we look at the fake one, they've not done this. So I'm not sure if they've realised this is a signature pair. So if you spin it to the back, it says Phantom GX on the back. So different signature on the back. Force 9 for Haaland on this one, not on the fake pair. Looking at the outside, you'll see the swoosh actually has a small bit of detailing on it. So it goes from silver to this kind of red, as you can see there. Really actually do like that swoosh. It's a nice little detail. If we look at the fake one, you can see it's there, but not quite as visible. So clear difference in the actual colour of the swoosh. And in terms of the size, you can see it's much larger on the fake one compared to the retail one. Then spin it around to the inside, look at the swoosh on the inside. This has got like a metallic silver, dark silver on the retail one here. If we look at the fake one below, you can see not quite as shiny and a lot lighter in colour. Clear difference between the two. Looking at the kind of fire pattern at the heel here on the retail one, you can see it kind of actually does look a lot like flames. Whereas if we look at the fake one above, it's a lot more blotchy, a lot more thick and bulky. Yeah, it doesn't kind of look the same. And also the pattern underneath is a lot darker on the retail one compared to the fake one. Clear differences again. At the front of the boot, you will see it's a miniature light blue swoosh here. If we look at this comparing retail to fake, you can see much smaller on the fake one once again, clearer on the retail one with an outline as well. And then spinning the boots upside down, taking a look at the sole plates, well, you can see a clear colour difference at the front here. So this is the retail one here, so it's kind of like a salmon or an orange peach colour. You can see the centre circle here is orange as well. If we look at the fake one, you can see it's blue in the middle there, and also the colour is completely off. And then towards the back of the sole plate, you can see difference here, thicker on the retail one here, so you can't see that blue coming through just as much as you can on the fake one. And also, if you actually look really closely on the fake one, you can see glue stains coming through, so you can see it's just been stuck on but not very well, or they've just used far too much glue in areas. And also there's a lot of scratches on it, and I've just unboxed it and just taken it out right now. There's a lot of scratches, so I'm not sure how long these studs will actually last. I think it might be a slightly different material to the one that the retail ones use as well, so difference there. And then taking a look inside, the retail one comes with a massive paper shoe tree, and the fake one comes with just a Nike bag, which is a fake bag. But then we take out the insoles of both. So let's take out the fake one here, and then we'll take out the retail one here. So the retail one, I can tell you right now, is a lot thicker and a lot stronger. So it's almost like an off-white insole, but not quite. So it's actually very solid here, whereas the fake one is not. It's incredibly flimsy. So this one has a little bit more support to it, I would say, a little bit more archway support. However, the fake one does not. Clear difference in the colour as well, so retail one comes with a yellow one inside, fake one doesn't. And then if we look this side, you can see the colour is different and the details are different. Force 9 on the retail one here is much larger and bolder compared to the fake one again. And then if we look on the inside, you can actually see the structure of the boot inside with that white sole of the boot as well. You can see it clearly. If we look at the fake one, they've just used a random colour and they've put a green one inside, so that is completely wrong. So hopefully this video has shown you the huge differences between a real and fake pair and why you should always buy an authentic pair of football boots. This one here is very good, and I know the Phantom GX2 performs amazingly because I've worn it in many different colours, and it's a brilliant pair of boots, and you just wouldn't trust a fake pair that bends. Oh yeah, it's just, the materials are completely different and it looks completely different as well. So yeah, hopefully this video has helped you if you are trying to purchase a retail one. It's a fantastic pair of boots, just the colourway isn't for me. But let me know down below in the comments what you think of this, and can you spot any more differences between the two pairs? Comment them down below so you can help other people. Thanks for watching, hope you have an amazing day.